All right, welcome back, people, man. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the build series. Welcome back to the Trailblazer SS. You dig? The Copart special, the pickup. You know, remember it was all crashed up over there on that side. She looking right, man. She looking like a car again. Let me get this light out y'all face, man, so y'all can check me out, man. Y'all can check out this progress. So, yeah, man, like I said, man, everything is pretty much done. It's going to be 2 more parts left. This part and 1 more part, and I think this build is going to be over with. Hopefully, we don't run into no surprises. Fingers crossed. But, yeah, so, and this video, we go get everything bolted back home. We'll get headlights in. We go get that in, all that crap. That's the radiator, the condenser, the fan shroud. We'll get all that back in. We'll get the battery tray back in. We'll get the washer reservoir back in. We go get all that stuff bolted back on because it's pretty much fitment time, man. We trying to get everything, you know, fit back up so I can check my panel gaps and everything like that because we did some major operation to this vehicle. And we got to make sure that everything is go, you know, she go wake up and come up out the, you know, about the anesthesia and be as good as she was before she, you know, even better. You feel what I'm saying? But she even better before the you know, major surgery that she has undergone. And yeah, the only way we gonna figure that out is if we bought all these parts back on and we check our panel gaps and everything. So that's what we on right now, man. We finna get everything put back on. We'll get this thing looking like, you know, the beautiful black beast that she is. And yeah, man, if all the panel gaps and everything are right, and you know, we got 1 more part. Like I said, we go tear it all apart again. We go paint it, and that's it, man. We gonna enjoy ourselves. I'm kind of putting a rush on this. I've been taking my time up until this point because, you know, I want to do everything right. This is the easy part. This is just putting stuff right back where it's supposed to go. The reason I'm kind of rushing tonight, we got like, I heard, you know what I'm talking about, you know, they never, you know, all that accurate, but what they saying is we getting like 12, I think, 10 to 12 inches of snow, something like that, you know, something like an apocalypse. You sure what I'm saying? We might see the abominable snowman out in Chicago, man. But yeah, so I ain't never did an all-wheel drive burnout. I think it'll look dope. I think y'all would appreciate that action, man. You know, you never know. I might blow something up, you know, like, you know, go viral with it or something like that. So yeah, that's what we aiming for. I want to get everything put back on, and like I said, it ain't gonna be painted because the snow's supposed to come like tonight, tomorrow type. So you know, paint, we ain't gonna get that done. Obviously, I ain't ready for paint anyway because I still ain't got the grill in. It is what it is, man. You know, because of COVID, you know, we gotta wait on all these long shipping delays and all this crap, man. It is what it is, but yeah, I want to finish this thing so we can get out there and we can do some all-wheel drive burnouts in the snow, man. We can have some fun in this beautiful, sexy black beast, man. I think I'm gonna call her. I think I came up with a name for her, man. So, you know, check out. She SS, she blacked out, you know, she went shit, you know, all that good shit. You know what I'm talking about? Since y'all know the other truck, the crew cab, the LS swap crew cab, I call her Beyonce, like Beyonce. So what I'm thinking on this one, right? Now y'all heard that. But what I'm thinking on this one, right? I'm thinking Kelly, like Kelly Rowland, you know, Kelly Rowland, you know, Kelly Rowland on 20-inch black TVSS reps. I don't even know if them reps are factories. I don't know, but yeah, man, I'm thinking about calling this one Kelly, man. I'm thinking about it. So yeah, Kelly, man, Kelly Rowland. I think that's fitting for her. So, but yeah, in this video, I think I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna do like a little first-person view. All right, y'all. I think we done with part 3, man. You know, I think she ready. Yeah, she a little snag or two. She missing her grill, but dang, let me turn this. You know these things mean business since they have. All right, now that I got y'all undivided attention, man, I had all that background ruckus going on, man, trying to watch a little, stay entertained. But look, yeah, we back to the project. So the hood is on, bumpers on, headlights on, fenders are on. My gaps are perfect. The gap over here was like, it was like twice the size as it is now. It's perfect now. Same over here, I got the exact same gap. I got the same gap all the way around the headlights, the bumper. Now over here, the bumper is damaged. It's ripped right there, so it's not, you know, sucked in like it's supposed to be. So I do have a gap down there. Same on this side, it's broke over here. So, you know, obviously, you know. But once all that is fixed, you see it'll sit where it's supposed to. Dig. Flat tire, forgot about that. I'm actually gonna get online tonight and see if I can find that tire or see if I can find it used or anything, man, because I wanna ride. I don't even want to put no spare on it. I don't even know if these trucks come with a spare. But yeah, I got that bottom grill section. I just got to put it in. But man, she looking good. She is pretty much road ready. Like I said, I got to fix that tire. I got to bleed the cooling system, fill that up, and I forgot I said I wanted to drain that transmission. I'm gonna do that also. But she done pretty much, man. Y'all see that, man? You know, minus the grill and the mismatched hood or whatever, man. She looking pretty clean. Minus, you know, you gotta look through the dirt, man. Look past all the dirt and all that stuff, man. You gotta look past all her imperfections and see the beauty under the beast. You know, my lighting in here terrible, man. But yeah, I'm hold up. You dig, man. I gotta pat myself on the back, man. Yeah, we done with this project. My garage is a mess. Every time I get a project in, man, I'm the type, like, you know, I'm a messy worker, I guess, man. You call it what it is, but I'm just happy this is, you know, we pretty much done. I can clean up in here now. I could take the truck out, clean it up. I'm gonna bleed the cooling system, do all that stuff off camera. That's the boring stuff. And, you know, next video, we probably gonna be test driving this thing if I could find a tire. And I'll probably just figure a way to, you know, support the bumper until I get around to fixing it. What I think I'm gonna do as far as the bumper go, I think I'm gonna get like some epoxy or something, or a plastic welding kit, a plastic weld kit, whatever you wanna call it. And like I said, I got a crack right here I gotta fix. That is important because it sucks the bumper up in there like that, you know. So that's very important that I, you know, fix that piece. Also over here, there's a clip that I got from the junkyard today, if I can find it. There we go. This is supposed to be like glued to the inside of that bumper, and what it does, that little nub right in there, just pretty much slides over there, and that attaches, that holds the bumper, you know, this corner of the bumper up. So I gotta do that. That ain't nothing. I put some heat on it, and it popped right off the old bumper. So I think I'm gonna just get like some good glue or something and just glue it back on to the current bumper. And yeah, everything look good, you know. I'm gonna keep the plastic on the headlights until I'm, you know, done with paint and everything. But God, I'm tripping over everything. I gotta clean this garage up. But yeah, man, she is looking good. It ain't done yet. We still gotta test drive it and everything. So please, you know, stay tuned. Come back for the next video. You know, next time around, it's gonna be my first time in a long time driving a Trailblazer SS. I did test drive one of these years ago when I was a teenager. I think I tried to buy one, it didn't work out. You know, flash forward years later, bought one cash. You know, everything happened for a reason. But yeah, so you know, check me out, subscribe. You know, thumb me up if you like the video. Get in the comment section. You know, let me know if I'm, you know, how I'm doing. You know, constructive criticism is always appreciated. But till next time, people.